Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make you another beautiful flower arrangement. Go on my channel and you see on click the videos and you'll see so many art crafts and so many more flower arrangement. And I hope you like them, and I hope I'm giving you good ideas to do things at your home. Very simple and beautiful. Now that I have a lot of beautiful roses over here, now I have over here the yellow roses, so I want to make very beautiful arrangement. So what we need is, my little kittens are being naughty over here. I have a little bit screen, which is, how should I say, it's nylon. I want to make a little flower arrangement and put this as a decoration. And it's going to look very original and beautiful. You have to be creative. You can put some veil you can use. You can use anything and be creative, just create. And I hope you like my creation. All right, now what do I have to do is I want to show you this, the screen. It's a plastic screen, very beautiful, and I thought about it to make a beautiful arrangement. So while you have it, the bottom part, turn it and give any design you want. It's a flexible, it's plastic, you can do anything you want. The bottom part over here, just put a little bit, a branch, any kind of branch, which is one of the roses that I cut, a piece. I put it like this, and what I did, I tied. Of course, I cut it shorter, and I tie it, and this is what I did. Just simple, plain. You can tie it up with the rubber band, or you can tie it up with bags that when we tie from the groceries, you can do that. And then just give the design, arrangement, turn it, twist it, whatever you want. So what we have to do, we have a little here pig flour again, and this is going to be in this open dish. One of friend gave it to me. All right, what I have to do is, while I have now the branch, I'm going to squeeze this in to hold. You are scratching my kitten, scratching my leg. So I have to put him over here so he stays there. You're being naughty. And I have a video about this little cute kitten, which he grew up under, he born under my house. His name is Mitten, because 4 legs are mitten he has. He's wearing a mitten. So he's just very, very active. There are 2 of them, and this is his brother. His name is Kitten, because they rhyme, kitten and mitten. They are little naughty cats. Go. They are very, very cute. I never thought I will have a cat in my house. So now we have a chicken, we have kittens, we have fish, we have turtle. I had macaws, I had conure. Too many animals. So I guess they all come look for me. They know who's gonna take care of them. So I'm just gonna add a little bit water over here. This flower arrangement, I'm gonna do it very, very simple. Let's turn it this way maybe. There you go. Like I said, the design, you can give it, you can twist it, because it's plastic. It can go either way, any way you want to do it. So I was just thinking very simple and plain arrangement to do. So what I have to do here, I'm going to cut a little bit shorter. And we're going to put this like this. I think maybe, now that I just got an idea, I wonder how it would have been if I put this little yellow veil in it. If it will give color, or we can just leave it maybe that way. Let's see. Just one side, one corner. I think it doesn't look that bad. All right. Or we can, because it will be nice, this way it will be noticeable more that there is something behind. When you already do the flower arrangement, a lot of ideas comes to you. So now we're gonna do a little bit shorter than the other one. to make it a little bit more shorter. It's going to be very simple and very plain. Let's take well, we keep the leaves, I guess. We took all the roses leaves. And let's see, which we had to do only with yellow, I said, but let's see. I have over here I think the big ones, it will be even better when it's up, but let me see what it goes with this. I have over here, those are little berries, flowers they are, from my tree in the bag, and I think it goes very nice with this when I put them here. Because it's very tiny, make sure that you go between the roses, so what it does, it kind of hold them. It's interesting flower they are. You know what we can do? We can put them between, we can take it out and we can keep it this way so it will hold into the veil. This way it makes it more interesting, I think. Okay, let's see. I guess this one doesn't want to go, then we put it back the way it was. And this one, yes. I'm going to show you that how simple arrangement it is, and it's already looks beautiful. But now the bottom part, we don't want to keep empty. So what I have to do is, let's see if we can put from these little corals. When you cut it, it will give more sturdy to hold. Sometimes when I cut it like this way, it goes wrong direction. So do you see the ends? It doesn't hold. So make sure you cut them a little bit in an angle. And let's put a little bit in the back. It's being a little stubborn. There you go. And now this one, what we can do is cut a little bit more, and with the coral we will hold it in its place. There you go. So I think it's looking very beautiful and very original. Kitten, no, 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 no. You cannot. That's poisonous for you. No. All right. There we go. Now, I'm going to put just from, let's see if this kind of filler we need. Yeah, I think it would be nice so it can show the dish, the plates. Okay, I think we will fill with this. We have to put new one. I have to tell you, I don't prepare from the beginning. I just do as I go. And that's how you will see your beautiful flower arrangement. This looks like an ekibana, Japanese decoration. Flower arrangement, I should say. Okay, let's see. My kittens, they made a lot of mess around here. And we will add one more, maybe over here. Something different. Over here I have this plant. This is aloe vera plant. When you have aloe vera, this is the aloe vera flower that it gives. And I think it looks very, very nice. When the flower falls, it looks just like a branch, but it has a lot of interesting dry plants on it, which it looks cute. Sometimes when you get this kind of plants, you will say, what are they? You want to plant them if you like them, but you don't know that it's one of the flowers or plants that you already have at home, that you didn't know that. Okay, I think we have to put one more. We'll put it this side, I guess. Let's see. My little rascal is watching. No, no, no. You can't do that. All right, we'll put this more in here. And there you go. This is very, very simple, plain arrangement. And it looks beautiful. And I think very simple. These are the different kind of ideas, which is original. You can put this in or you can take it out. But I think it matches very, very nice with the flower. Let me take this away so we can see the beautiful arrangement. There you go. Well, I hope you like this arrangement. And if you like it, please subscribe and like. And I thank you again. So don't let the flower dries outside. Just bring them in and enjoy indoor, in your living room, in your dining room, and have fun with it. Thank you again. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.